They will do anything, I mean anything, to see you all the time. Use this meditation and you'll start to see instant results. Hello everyone, I am Janell, your manifesting love guru, and today I'm going to help you manifest the one that you desire to want to see you all of the time. Thank you for subscribing and remembering to click the bell icon because I create new manifestation videos several times a week to manifest love with the law of attraction. I have helped thousands of people all around the world, and I can help you too. Just visit me at joybyjanell.com. Listen to this meditation every day for the next 28 days to have unexplainable results. Now relax, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Repeat after me out loud or in your mind. I am the only one my specific person desires. My specific person is fully committed to me because I am unique and irreplaceable. I am always chosen and prioritized by my specific person. My specific person loves and cherishes me because I am special. I am the most important person in my specific person's life. My specific person is drawn to me effortlessly because I am magnetic and captivating. I am the only person my specific person wants to be with. My specific person recognizes my worth and knows that I am the best for them. I am irreplaceable, and my specific person is devoted to me completely. My specific person constantly shows me love and affection because I deserve it. I am the perfect partner for my specific person, and they know it. My specific person chooses me every single day without hesitation. My specific person can't imagine being with anyone else but me. I am the one my specific person dreams about, desires, and craves. My specific person loves me deeply because I am everything they have ever wanted. I am unique, and my specific person is fully committed to me and to our relationship. My specific person is loyal to me because I am unforgettable and irreplaceable. I am the best choice for my specific person, and they know it. My specific person is fully invested in me because I am the love of their life. It is already done. Now you should start to feel results immediately, almost instantly, because you now believe these new truths. Every day that you listen to this meditation, it will become stronger and stronger. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Type, I am the only person my specific person wants to be with to affirm. And if you would like to get your desired person back as soon as possible, let me help you by manifesting them for you. You can sign up for me to manifest for you today at joybyjanell.com or by clicking the link in the description box below. Thousands of people's lives have already been changed with my manifestations. Subscribe for more content like this. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next meditation.